I'm going to use the no drill option on here because if I can avoid using a drill, obviously. Hello and welcome to what I lovingly refer to as my disaster bathroom. This is what I will be using to kind of fix it up. This is a pull-out cabinet drawer that I just ordered to try to clean up some of the mess under here. So the previous owner did some work in this bathroom, patched something up with some plywood. That plywood sticks out, so this doesn't fit in here. I have to find a different place. This is now going to be the solution to my tray problem. I have this rolling kitchen cart that I wheel in and out as needed for kitchen stuff. I do need to scrub this down a bit, get any kitchen grit off of there, and then I'm going to install my sliding drawer. Time to assemble, laying down the stickies. To make this part easier, push down on the bottom of these, push it all the way to the top. It actually locks in a little bit, so I have to tug a little bit, and then it slides really smoothly. These are very I'm going to expand this to its full extent. This will be easily removed, but I suspect no. I'm going to pull this apart as I install this to make sure that it's nice and taut and pulled evenly, all lined up nice and evenly. Applying some pressure to get that seal down. Oh, look at that, we have a drawer. There we have it. Time to load it up. It's going to be so easy to pull these out. I absolutely love this solution. It looks cleaner than it did before. I think we are good.